I think, with all these codes as well. Wastegate valve, oxygen sensor, exhaust camshaft angle offset with respect to, so the timing's out then. Right, so exhaust camshaft offset with respect to the crankshaft outside of the tolerance. So that's maybe a stretch chain as well. Mass airflow, coolant pump actuation pump block. Right, I think basically it's going to want the engine rebuilt, I think. Yeah, I think that's the case. It needs the engine out it, and need the engine out. I would just take the engine out it. To be honest with you. Maybe actually, this is the one that just goes straight down, so obviously there's no timing case in there. But I was warming this one up because I want to check the